Ready to drop those extra pounds fast? What if I told you that in just 7 days you could start seeing real results without starving yourself or spending hours in the gym? Sounds too good to be true? Well, stick around because today I'm revealing a science-backed, step-by-step plan to help you burn fat, boost metabolism, and feel amazing, fast. And here's the best part. It's not about extreme diets or crazy workouts, just simple, effective habits that actually work. Ready to kickstart your 7-day weight loss transformation? Let's dive in. Before we dive into the plan, let's quickly understand how weight loss works. Losing weight is all about calories in versus calories out. If you burn more calories than you consume, your body starts using stored fat for energy, resulting in weight loss. But it's not just about eating less. You need to eat smart and stay active. That's why I've designed this 7-day plan to balance nutrition, exercise, and hydration for maximum results. Now, let's get to the real deal. Your 7-day weight loss transformation. Start your day by resetting your metabolism with warm lemon water. This simple drink is a game changer, boosting digestion and fat burning, with the added bonus of a cinnamon or honey infusion for extra flavor and benefits. Follow this with some light stretching or yoga to get the blood flowing and ease into your day. Breakfast. Choose protein and fiber-rich meals like scrambled eggs with avocado, Greek yogurt with chia seeds, or a detox smoothie to keep you energized and full. These options give you the perfect balance to kickstart your metabolism and sustain energy. Hydration. Keep hydrated by drinking at least 500 milliliters of water before noon. Keep sipping throughout the day and sip on green tea to enhance fat burning. Mid-morning snack. Grab a handful of almonds or walnuts to keep your energy up and provide healthy fats for sustained energy. Lunch. A well-balanced meal featuring lean protein, fiber, and healthy fats is key. Grilled chicken salad, quinoa with veggies, or lentil soup with leafy greens are great options. Afternoon snack. Stay on track by drinking more water and going for a short walk. A healthy snack like cucumber slices with hummus or a detox juice will keep cravings at bay. Day 2 is all about fueling your body with high-protein, low-carb foods. This method boosts metabolism while preserving lean muscle mass. Start your day with a metabolism-boosting drink like warm lemon water with apple cider vinegar to jumpstart digestion and detoxify your system. Adding green tea or black coffee helps accelerate fat oxidation without adding calories. Breakfast. Scrambled eggs with avocado or a protein smoothie is perfect for a nutrient-packed start to the day. You'll feel full and energized with no energy crashes. Midday. Hydration and snack. Snack on almonds or Greek yogurt with chia seeds to keep blood sugar levels stable. This will keep you feeling satisfied and help curb cravings. Lunch. Lean protein like grilled chicken or salmon paired with fiber-rich veggies and healthy fats will keep you satisfied without any of the cravings. This combo promotes fat loss while maintaining muscle mass. Start the day 3 with a high-fiber breakfast like chia seed pudding made with almond milk and topped with berries. If you prefer a smoothie, blend Greek yogurt, spinach, flax seeds, and half a banana for a gut-friendly, fiber-rich drink. Lunch. Opt for a hearty, fiber-rich meal like lentil soup, quinoa with veggies, or a whole grain salad. Fiber-rich foods like broccoli, bell peppers, and spinach promote digestion and fuel your metabolism. Dinner. Keep dinner light yet fiber-filled with a salad made of dark, leafy greens, topped with lean protein like grilled chicken, tofu, or salmon. Add healthy fats like avocado or olive oil to enhance absorption and reduce cravings. Snacking. Apple slices or a handful of berries make great fiber-rich snacks. Nuts like almonds or flax seeds also provide essential healthy fats and fiber to curb hunger. Movement. To boost the fat-burning effects, engage in 30 minutes of cardio, such as running or cycling, or go for a HIIT session. The combination of fiber-rich food and cardio will accelerate your fat loss. Start your day 4 with herbal tea to enhance digestion, followed by a hearty bowl of oats topped with nuts. Oats are fiber-rich and provide slow digesting energy. Lunch. Focus on lean protein and grilled veggies. Chicken, fish, or tofu paired with fiber-rich vegetables will give you sustained energy and keep you full longer. Snacks. Choose healthy snacks such as dark chocolate, 85% cocoa, nuts, or hummus with veggie sticks. These satisfy cravings without adding unnecessary sugar or carbs. Dinner. Opt for a light, nourishing vegetable soup or a stir-fry with lean protein and colorful veggies. These options are rich in nutrients and will keep your metabolism running efficiently. Exercise. Engage in strength training for 30 minutes today. This could include squats, lunges, push-ups, and dumbbell exercises. Strength training helps build lean muscle mass and boosts your metabolism, accelerating fat loss. Day 5. Try avocado toast on whole grain bread for a satisfying, nutrient-dense start to the day. Alternatively, blend a smoothie with nuts, flax seeds, and almond milk for a mix of healthy fats and protein. Lunch. Grilled salmon or tuna salad with olive oil dressing provides a perfect balance of omega-3 fatty acids, lean protein, and fiber. This will support metabolism and prevent energy crashes. Snacks. Snack on almonds, flax seeds, or a spoonful of peanut butter. These healthy, fat-rich snacks will keep you full and curb hunger. Dinner. Stir-fry veggies like bell peppers and zucchini in coconut oil. Coconut oil contains medium-chain triglycerides, MCTs, which your body uses for energy rather than storing as fat. Day 6 focuses on lean protein, which plays a key role in muscle repair, fat loss, and hunger control. Breakfast. Opt for a protein-rich breakfast like scrambled eggs with spinach or a protein smoothie made with Greek yogurt, chia seeds, and almond milk. Lunch. Grilled chicken or tofu salad with mixed greens and olive oil provides a protein-packed, satisfying meal to fuel your metabolism and keep you full. Snacks. Hard-boiled eggs, cottage cheese with flax seeds, or a handful of walnuts are great protein-packed snacks that will keep you satisfied throughout the day. Dinner. Go for a light, protein-packed dinner like baked turkey breast with steamed broccoli or a shrimp stir-fry with quinoa. Exercise. Engage in 30 minutes of strength training, such as bodyweight squats, lunges, or dumbbell workouts. Strength training helps burn fat and build lean muscle. Day 7 is all about balancing everything you've learned with a focus on sustainability for long-term weight loss. Morning. Start your day with herbal tea and whole grain toast with eggs. This will give you fiber, protein, and slow-releasing carbs to keep you full and energized. Lunch. Choose a fresh mixed salad with avocado and lean protein. This combination will give you fiber, healthy fats, and essential vitamins to keep you nourished. Snacks. Go for nutrient-dense snacks like fruit or a handful of nuts to keep your energy levels stable without excess sugar. Dinner. A light soup with lean protein like chicken, fish, or tofu is perfect for easy digestion before bed. Bonus weight loss strategies. Intermittent fasting. Try the 16-8 method to regulate insulin levels and promote fat loss by limiting your eating window to 8 hours. Green tea. Drink it throughout the day to boost metabolism and aid fat loss. Quality sleep. Ensure you're getting 7 to 8 hours of sleep every night to prevent hormonal imbalances that lead to weight gain. Congratulations! By following this 7-day plan, you'll start feeling lighter, more energized, and more confident. Let us know in the comments which tip you're trying first, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more.